This is how to switch your spark plug out on a Kawasaki Bayou. This one happens to be a 2001, but I think a lot of them are the same. So here I am on the right hand side of the bike. So you're going to come down here, and right here is your spark plug wire. You're just going to give it a little pull. It's going to make a little pop sound. I've already loosened this, so you're going to turn counterclockwise until you get it out. You can see this one will be pretty black. I've already taken it out. I loosened it up just to make sure that everything is good. So that's what that one looks like. As you can see, it's pretty black. Then I've got my new one sitting right over here. So you can kind of compare the difference of what a used one and a new one looks like. I already put this one in once, but so that one's pretty black. You can see this one. So you take and you just put it back in there, and start screwing it in. Make sure it's screwed all the way in, and then get your wrench or your socket. I happen to have a socket. Then you're going to slip it over the top of there, and just give it a little twist, not too much. You don't want to over tighten it, because when you go to get it back out, it'll be a pain. And then just take your spark plug wire, and then you push it on, and then you can push it till it makes a click noise. Listen, just a little teeny noise is all it was. And that's how you change the spark plug on a Kawasaki Bayou.